They noticed the dog right away.
Oh, look at this.
He's ready.
How many now?
As many as you can carry, baby.
Charlie and Nugget. Oh, they're getting along so well.
And after saying bye to Nugget and Charlie, things began to pick up.
Hi, I'm Carl. You want to meet a dog instead of me?
Yeah, that's kind of why I'm here.
I'm Chandler. Nice to meet you.
How's it going? I'm Jimmy.
You strike me as someone who would like Brownie.
He's cute.
It's the end of day 1 and 8 dogs got adopted. But obviously the cute fluffy dogs are easy to find homes for. Getting all 100 dogs adopted could literally take months. But at least on day 2, thanks to our ad campaign, we had 10 times the amount of people waiting.